I'm a very hands-on learner, so the classroom stuff is a little hard on me, but like being in the field, doing the work, it just helps me understand it. I'm Caden Mo. I was born and raised here in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. I graduated from Roosevelt High School in 2021, and I am currently attending Southeast Tech for construction management, and I'm doing the Fiegen AGC apprenticeship program right now. I came from like a background with not a lot of construction experience. I had a little bit here and there, like stuff around the house with my dad, like building a deck, new workbench. But otherwise, like some of the other people out there that like built houses before, I've never really had that. So I decided apprenticeship program would be nice just to help uh, know more and get more experience. And I had a opportunity in 2020, I believe, with Fiegen here to work part-time at Ben Rifle. I got done with school at noon. They were just swamped and needed some extra help, so I came in after school, helped them out for the rest of the day, and that's how I kind of got started here at Fiegen. It's helped me just get a better grasp of everything there's to know. There's so much to know between all the different like construction fields with like plumbing, electrical. So with AGC and the apprenticeship classes I take, it just helped me further like grasp the information. Do it basically. Like if you're interested in going into construction, apprenticeship programs are really useful. It's more fun than sitting in a classroom learning. It's cheap, way cheaper, and I feel like you learn more from everyone on the job site rather than like in a classroom just focusing on one topic at a time, where in the field you kind of just get everything at once, and then you learn little like tips and tricks how to make it go quicker, faster, more efficiently.